Welcome to Wise Link Academy. I greet you, everybody. Today, we'll be dealing with what? Technical drawing. An aspect in technical drawing which says what? Tangency problem. We want to reproduce how this figure. This is the what? Tangent problem. As you can see, tangency problem. And what do we mean by tangent? Whenever you say something is tangent, it simply means that, let me show you. If I draw a circle of any given radius, can you see it? If I draw a circle of any given radius and a line pass through that circle like this, it simply means that this line is tangential to this circle. As you can see what we are having here, this line down here is tangential to this circle, while this arc you are seeing here, this arc is tangential to this circle, because this thing you are seeing is a circle. You see, it's a circle. So whenever you get tangency problem, it simply means that a line touching the edge of a circle. Let's proceed. We want to draw out this figure. Let me show you very well. You can see that we want to reproduce this figure. So the first thing to do, you draw a what? Vertical and horizontal line. Let's do that. You take your meter rule, you draw a line. You draw your horizontal line. You don't need to measure it, just draw your horizontal line. Can you see that? Then you draw your what? Your vertical line. Your vertical line. You can see. So let's say these are what? Our meeting point, our starting point. So at this point you are seeing here, this is the point here. You can see this point here. This is the point in our own paper here. You can see that. Let's proceed. The first thing you are meant to do in this place is what? You should draw a circle of radius 20. Radius 20. So let's do that. You take your compass and measure radius 20 on your meter rule. This is my compass. So you take your meter rule, you measure radius 20. That's radius 2 centimeter. Let me show you so you can see it. So 2 centimeter. Can you see that? This is our radius 2 centimeter. So this measurement, you put it at this place. You will now draw a faint line. Can you see? This is a faint circle, a faint line. See? This is a faint circle here. Have you seen it? So after you have achieved this, let's proceed. What are we having again? We have successfully drawn this circle. The next thing we just need to do is to draw. They say that a line is tangential to this circle of what? Of length 25. So you draw from the bottom of this circle, which is this one we're having here. Bottom of the circle here, you draw a line of what? 25 millimeter. That's a 6.5. So let's do that. You take your meter rule. You measure 6.5 on your meter rule. So here is our what? 6.5. 6.5 here. So you extend it to 0. You can see that. So this measurement, I'm going to place it here, and you draw an arc. Can you see? An arc. So then you take your meter rule, you connect it to that place your arc is. You can see? You connect it. You can see that. So this is it here. So this from here to here is what 65 um, um, millimeter. As you can see, we have drawn our length of 65 millimeter here. All you're having here, so this is it here. You can see that now. But what do you notice? There is what? An arc here. And this arc looks like a O. So in a layman language, whenever you see a O in a tangent, you what? You harden. Whenever you see a O, you what? You hard. So this radius of this arc is what? Is big R. So whenever you see something like this, a hole, you will do what? You add the radius of this to the circle at which it is tangential. Look at this arc is tangent to this circle. So you add this radius 20 to this radius 50. That will give us what? Radius what? 70. So let's measure 70 on our meter rule. Take your compass and measure 70. You can see that 70. You place it on your meter at this point because you added the radius of this 20 plus that arc of what? Of 30. Of 30. Yeah. So you make an arc here. A faint arc. You can see that a faint one. So after you have successfully done that arc, you come to this point because this point here, this point you are seeing here is this point here. And in this point, there's a circle of radius 0. So 50 plus 0 is what? 50. So let's measure our 50 centimeter. Let's measure our what? 50 centimeter. 50. This is our 50. You place it at this point. Then strike an arc. You can see that now. So you can see that there's an arc cutting through. Let me zoom it. So this is the arc cutting through. So from this point, you can now measure what? That's exactly radius 30. You can measure this radius, 50. You can just measure radius of 50 or you gauge it. So if you can just place it here, your pin of your compass, and then you gauge it. Or you measure radius 50. So if you're gauging this, you'll be having something like this. So you'll be having something like this. You can see that. So let me take in all this aspect too, because they are thickened. You're having this. These are thickened, isn't it? Let's draw this line too is thickened. If you notice in our drawing, this line too is a thickened line. So we have successfully drawn this tangency problem. Let's now indicate. You need to indicate. So our point from here, this point to this place is what? Radius 20. Let's do that. So from this point upward, here's our what? Radius 20, isn't it? Let's proceed. So you come again. This arc here is radius what? Radius 50. So you put your meter rule to this arc here. Indicate that this arc has a what? Radius of what? 50. R 50. Then notice from here to this place is what? 65. Isn't it? 65. 65. Measure 65. Thank you very much. If you find this video helpful, please kindly click the subscribe button and like. Thank you very much. Welcome to